everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name's Mitch.
My name is James.
You're watching Clark's Homestead Adventures. Well, we took a little road trip. We had an explosion at the farm. It's a good one. So everybody, just let's buckle up, hang on. It's definitely a bumpy ride. Hey, it's Mitch and James. We're out on another adventure today. We're at the Ellen Trout Zoo in Lufkin, Texas. Didn't even know the place existed, but we found it. We're going to go in and check it out. So come along with us. We're walking into the zoo, and there's a train.
It's $2.
Cool.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
They have alligators. I bet it's indoors though.
They got a bald eagle.
Yeah. This is Ellen Trout Zoo. We just got in. Man, it was $6. Actually, $6 for me, $4 for James to get in. Let's go see what this experience is about. I didn't even know Lufkin had a zoo.
You can see right there the flamingos.
Oh yeah?
The flamingos are right there. That's a swarm of flamingos.
Yeah, there's a bunch of flamingos. What's over here?
There's some koi. That's cool.
Now see, I want to do something like this and make a koi pond. Look how big those suckers
This is
are.
cool, and they have alligators swimming in water.
Yeah,
That's a bunch of koi. Those are big.
those are big koi.
There's some like a big rock right here. To keep the raccoons. It's not gonna get mad at you. Let's try to keep the camera.
He's well fed, I guarantee you. He does not care. Crested porcupine. Right there.
No.
I want one of those. That would be cool to have a crested porcupine. Look, he's looking at us. Hey, Mr. Tortoise. Two of them. Oh, no, there's more.
There's an alligator and an alligator snapping turtle.
Look at that guy.
Oh, here.
Yeah, I'll get them in just a second. Big old alligator. You know what I'm willing to bet you?
They show you
James,
the reef one.
I bet you this is the bull, and these are the females over here.
It shows you where you can find them. This is kind of. I want a swan.
That's not a swan.
What is it?
That's a flamingo.
Oh. I want a flamingo. Oh. It shows you. You can find it. They're curious. Do you want the monkey? They're curious.
Yeah.
It shows you where you can find them. I want. Now we can actually see what.
Yeah, these are Galapagos tortoises.
This is where you can find them. I don't know where that one.
Yeah, Galapagos Island.
This is where I kind of want. I don't think they. I've been around them. Oh. They just don't. You're scared. Do you think he'll spread its wings?
I don't know.
Oh. Brazil monkey.
Look at my finger. Look, ladybug.
You had a lemur before?
No.
Had one of your friends have a lemur?
Yes.
What's wrong with lemurs?
Nothing?
That's a big
Which
one.
one?
Yeah.
Lizard.
They can grow to that
Komodo
size.
dragon.
That's Finny!
No, it's not. Finny's a cat.
That's a cat.
Wow,
That's a
It
cat.
is a cat, but Finny's a house. He came right to the window.
That's
Ooh,
that's
leopard.
basically Finny.
He's coming around. He went down and
Big,
he's right
big,
up to Remy.
big cat?
Medium. Here he is.
I know.
I don't have him in here.
Can't see it, but there's a crocodile right there against the side.
There's a duck. Where's the
Where do you see a turtle? Oh, there it is.
Is that one of those species that they don't really need a high fence?
No, they have to have a high fence. You notice how it goes down right here.
Touch the turtle. I think it likes that. It's kind of cool they have so you know you're. This is cool. They just don't let you get more close like this. That's a pretty bird. Surprised you don't like the red eyes. That's cool. I'm pretty sure the reason why they had
Guys, me and I'm kidding.
there's people in there.
Come on, girls.
National bird.
Yep.
So this
These birds are probably here because they were rescued and couldn't be turned back out in the wild.
so that's why they're able to have these.
Yeah.
That's the same type of fencing, but it's just a big wall. This is cool.
Yeah. All right, get a drink.
It doesn't work. That's the part that I want.
Cockatoo.
Yeah. Okay. Can you give me a more, yeah?
You know why I don't want parrots?
Why?
They're noisy. And they can be mean.
What animals?
It's a toucan.
You want one?
They're pretty.
But, can they be deadly?
No.
Can they be deadly?
No.
I think this used to be like a little like a gun.
It's a deer.
See with the
Oh, I see the leg.
see with the door.
There he is.
See that, Tiffany?
Look,
Yeah.
let's all go.
Yeah.
Hey James, you know why they put? I hate to tell you this. You don't make money off these.
Well, what do you like to do, a zoo? There's two.
Yeah.
Do they have like a little cave under there?
No. Okay.
Looks like a female. Is there a fish in there?
Probably.
There's
It's a creek.
a turtle. Probably turtles in there. Oh, there goes on the train.
Yeah. Anyway, there's some giraffes. You can kind of make them out.
I think it's like a little tornado. That's a swarm of turtles.
Yeah.
They're just walking in circles.
Yeah.
He's walking really fast.
Hi, baby. Then there's nothing I can do about it right now. Go out my way to
We will.
Done.
Okay. Now look at me. Smile. Definitely gonna be the thumbnail.
Hey, handsome.
Oh, they have where you be able to. It's like, I mean, the reason why they have it that way is because they just.
Yeah.
What's he there?
Another squirrel. Do you think his buddies with that?
Probably. That's a Canadian geese. Hold on.
I don't think he likes that. There's a duck. Duck. Cave up in there.
Yeah.
Do you want a kangaroo?
Sure.
There's an emu. Emu. I think he likes me.
It's a kookaburra.
I don't see it.
Right there. It's a sloth. You can barely see the reflection.
It is.
Where is that?
It's right up here. That's a big one too. Hey, James, you see this snake here? That's cottonmouth. And he's dead. Yeah, that's a speckled king snake. They're pretty. Yeah. Hold on. Hey, come here real quick. There's actually two of them in there.
It's in there.
These are the rattlesnakes we had back home in Paris.
There's a rattlesnake.
That's a diamondback right there.
Yeah. But there's a rattlesnake right here.
Yeah. That's a diamondback. That's actually a prairie rattlesnake.
You better come over here.
And up here,
We're missing one.
it's a speckled cobra. He's back here in the back.
You better see it.
That's a gaboon viper. Very, very deadly.
Why is there a pumpkin in there? Why is there a pumpkin in there?
I don't know. There's a cobra in here.
There's one right
There it is. He's right back here in that rock. Little sidewinder in here. He's right there. Western Diamondback.
Let's see if we can get into.
Leaf tail, gecko, and a heck.
There's a
Yeah. Tortoises.
Are those poison frogs?
Yes, blue and yellow dark frogs. They used to take these frogs and put the rub them on them, the darts, for their blowgun, and then they'd shoot animals because they'd kill them. I don't know, hold on. Madagascar tree boa. This is a Jamaican boa. No, not poisonous. It's a boa, it's a constrictor.
There's giant turtles.
Yep.
What's in there? There's no animal in there because the water's empty. Same for this one. No, there's water in there. This is a. I see.
Oh, it's like a porcupine.
What's in here?
Oh, they're working on this.
Oh, African green mamba, right back there. James, watch it. That's a monitor or a tegu. Corn snake somewhere.
Ooh, that's a big boy. That's a big snake.
Green anaconda, who is not in there.
Is that a green anaconda?
Yes, that'd be a green anaconda.
It's chilling there.
Yeah, it's a big one too. Sucker's huge.
These are big bats. Are they usually asleep during the daytime?
Yeah. Hold on. You're so cute.
Is it Dipply Duckless?
What is over here? Mexican bearded lizard.
It's right there. I don't know why there's a little plastic thingy in there. Adam's Did they just add that one? I don't know.
There's 2 of them.
There used to be one. There's no fish. Should I go drink from it?
Huh?
Should I go drink from
Oh, there it is.
Where?
Shark! Alright, we're about to head out on the train ride here at the zoo, and James is doing something weird. What are you doing? Oh. Alright, here we go. I don't either. So, we did the train ride. One problem. I hit it on picture mode, not camera mode. So we were filming this whole train ride that we didn't film. It was a lot of fun. We will be back to the Ellen Trout Zoo. Man, talk about a cheap day trip, minus gas. We had got souvenirs, rode a train, got drinks, went to the zoo, and everything for under $40. So, or under 50. I mean, it's cheap. Anyway, what did you think, James?
Good.
Hey, what did you think?
That was a good experience.
Cool. All right, guys, that's it for today. We're gonna go home to our zoo. We have babies hiding everywhere. And I found more. I think it's safe to say we've had an explosion on the farm. We got babies everywhere. Everybody, thank you so much for watching the video. We sure had a lot of fun making this one, and we've had a lot of blessings during this video as well. James, would you like to say anything?
Like and subscribe and hit the notifications bell.
Thank you so much. As you can tell, we had an explosion on the farm. So from our zoo to yours, God bless you. See you on the next video. Live life.
Bye.